Surrounded by security, Meng Wanzhou made her way to court this morning, where her lawyers made another attempt to get her extradition case tossed out. Today they attacked what's called the record of the case.
What they are saying is that the American prosecutors in fact cherry-picked the type of evidence that they wanted to present to the Canadian authorities.
Specifically, her lawyers say the U.S. didn't include PowerPoint slides, which they believe show Meng was upfront about Huawei's relationship with Skycom, a company doing business in Iran. The U.S. insists Skycom was a Huawei subsidiary and that Meng deceived HSBC, which led the bank to violate U.S. economic sanctions.
As part of their case, Meng's lawyers are also arguing that her rights were violated and that she's being used as a pawn by the Trump administration. Back in 2018, shortly after her arrest, the president said he would intervene if it helped the U.S. with China trade negotiations.
The facts certainly establish that, in our view, that this is a political prosecution, that this is about President Trump and his administration trying to obtain leverage.
Some legal observers say Meng's team is trying to buy time.
Ms. Meng has the financial resources to pay substantial legal fees over a period of years.
This professor says the longer this drags on, the more likely it is that there will be some kind of settlement involving her case and the two Michaels, Canadians who are in Chinese custody and charged with spying. Another potential game changer is also looming.
It's entirely conceivable that a Biden administration might choose to withdraw the extradition request as part of a new foreign policy towards China.
Which is why Meng's case could be influenced by much more than the arguments made in court. Briar Stewart, CBC News, Vancouver.